Globalization and technological advancement has effect on every industries around the world. The challenges created by today is pressuring all the supply chain management and logistics process moving forward. Martin Daw Tools, School of Management and Economics at Assumption University, we discovered new opportunities and developed a transformation program called MSc in Supply Chain Management to help you discover the future of supply chain management today, understand, build up skills, and manage global supply chain complexity and risk. 5 concentration will be taught by the expert lecturers who has diverse knowledge and experience working in these fields. Supply management, operation management, distribution, business analytics, digital commerce. You may also be part of our up-to-date elective subjects. Come and join us to ensure that you experience the most impactful learning with a truly diverse group of global peers that you can adapt to any organization to set strategic priorities which bring you maximum value from this program. Apply now. Lead supply chain transformation and organizational change. Embeds the right knowledge with worldwide connection. Master of Science program in Supply Chain Management.